It's story time!
Timmy Is Cooking by Alyssa Liang. It is Thanksgiving Day today, a day to show our appreciation for the people we love. Timmy loves Ben and his family. He is very thankful to them for giving him a home and their love. Timmy gets up early. He is going to do something nice for Ben and his family on this Thanksgiving Day. Timmy takes out the Thanksgiving decorations. He decorates the house with golden leaves, scarecrows, and pumpkins. Then Timmy starts to make the Thanksgiving meal. He puts a turkey into the oven. He makes a pumpkin pie. He cuts a pumpkin, steams it, mixes it with milk, sugar, eggs. He pours it into a pie crust. While the turkey and pumpkin pie are cooking in the oven, Timmy makes lemonade. Ben and Ella like their lemonade sweet, so Timmy puts a lot of sugar in it. Now everybody is up. They see the Thanksgiving decorations. They smell something nice from the kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Timmy invites them to sit down at the table. The Thanksgiving meal is ready. Please sit down. I'll serve the turkey. Timmy opens the oven. A thick black smoke comes out. Timmy has been busy doing other things. He forgot to take out the turkey. It is burned. Timmy takes out the pumpkin pie. It looks great and smells yummy. Ben takes a bite. There are a lot of pumpkin seeds inside. Timmy forgot to take out the pumpkin seeds. Timmy pours Ella a glass of lemonade. Ella takes a sip. It's salty. Timmy put salt in it instead of sugar. The Thanksgiving meal did not turn out well, but everybody is very thankful to Timmy. They all hold hands and give thanks for the food and the people they love.
Let's do the activities.
Activity 1. What holiday is it? Answer the question and color the picture.
It's Thanksgiving.
Activity 2. What does Timmy do at Thanksgiving? Draw lines to the correct pictures.
He cooks a turkey. He makes a pumpkin pie. He makes lemonade. He decorates the house.
Activity 3. What is wrong with the food? Answer the question and color the pictures.
The turkey is burned. There are pumpkin seeds inside the pie. The lemonade is salty.
Activity 4. Sounds of in ladder and or in fork. Say the name of each picture and write the word.
Baker, ladder, driver, fork, corn, storm.
Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. What do people do at Thanksgiving?
They decorate their houses. They cook their turkeys. They make pumpkin pies. They give thanks for the food and the people they love.